like one of my dream bags right here in this bag. As you can see today, I'm doing a Dior handbag unboxing. This is my very first Dior handbag, probably my only ever. I'm pretty sure this is the most expensive thing I've ever bought. Besides my car, like my college education, you know, this is definitely the most expensive materialistic item I've ever bought myself, but I have always dreamed of owning a Dior bag. That's why I buy their makeup, because I feel like Dior to me is the fanciest brand. I love their handbags in particular because the designs on them, I love them. They're so intricate and fancy looking. All of the displays that I see are beautiful. The boxes, everything comes. I've always just been in love with Dior packaging, and I never thought I'd be able to get a bag. And you know, one of the kind of things about being on the internet is I feel the need to explain myself, especially when purchasing a really expensive item like this. Like, obviously, I'm so grateful. I'm very privileged to be in this position. I don't really owe an explanation, but I do want to set the scene up. I have a lot of subscribers that love talking about designer handbags just like myself, even though I can't buy them very often for myself. So I thought those of you who are into the designer handbags would enjoy this little moment with me. So I bought this for myself on my birthday. I went to the Design District in Miami, which is the most beautiful little shopping area with all designer stores. Contrary to popular belief, I'm very responsible with my financials, and I saved up more than I needed to pay my taxes. So I had some money left over, so I've been waiting, sitting on a little bit of money to treat myself, because this last year, you guys, I worked so hard, and this is my gift to myself. I don't know that I'll ever be able to purchase another Dior handbag for myself, but this is a big moment for me. So let's dig in. Now, this is not boxed exactly how it came because I bought this 2 weeks ago. I was not going to wait to open it. I've worn this multiple times already, but in this box, imagine, because I cannot wrap it back up. Beautiful Dior ribbon. I'll post the actual opening up right here. I filmed a short of it, of course. Had to get that moment. And then here is the box. Are you ready? In the dust bag. I gotta readjust it so it comes out cute, you know? Element of surprise. We have to have like a ah as I pull it out, okay? Are you ready? Ah. Here it is. I ended up with a saddle bag. I know, I probably should have gone with something more classic and timeless, but I have lusted these last couple of years over the saddle bag because this is just the most unique shape. It's kind of a love it or hate it kind of thing, because I know some people think this bag is ugly, but I just think it is so unique, so pretty, and this design in particular, it's like fancy Dior. Now, when I was going in, I thought I was going to get a leather bag because that's more casual. It would go with a lot more things, and leather, of course, is just more durable. But I saw this print, and I had to. And I feel like the leather ones also just felt more heavy, and they looked a little bit more bulky on me. Since this is like embroidered fabric, whatever it is, and not leather, I feel like it's thinner, which looks a lot better on my body. So in this print, they also have it in a Lady Dior bag and the large and medium book tote. If you're into this, they also have a black and white version of this, but I really loved the beige. So the saddle bag, if you don't know, it's definitely more of a trendy shape. Definitely not classic. This may go out of style, but it's so beautiful. I don't even care. I'm going to put an overlay of the description of what it says, but here it is. So it's fully embroidered with a beige mold. I can't pronounce any of this. I don't think I can tell you much about it, but it says, setting Mr. Dior's iconic pattern into the heart of Indian flora and fauna. So that's a little bit about the design. So it features a saddle flap with a magnetic D stirrup clasp. I did not know it was magnetic, but it's strong too. And an antique gold finish metal CD signature on each side of the handle. Now, this is one of my favorite things about these saddle bags. It was the first thing that caught my eye. I love that when you wear this on the shoulder, you see the CD. I'm obnoxious. Give me all the logos. Give them to me. If you come to Miami, you'll see how flashy Miami is. We love our designer logos. So you see it has the antique gold CD on the side, the magnetic D stirrup closure. Then when you open it, there is there an interior pocket? I don't think there is. It says there's an interior pocket, but it's like on the this back pocket. Is there? I don't know anything about this. It says there's an interior pocket on the website, but I didn't see it. So I don't know if there's an interior pocket or not. I don't need one. I don't really carry much stuff in my purse. And then it's made in Italy. So we're gonna do a cute little B-roll footage moment here. So I'm gonna put some photos right here or video of me wearing it so you can kind of see it against my body. For reference, I am 4'10". I'm very, very small. Like, look at that. Yes. So you can wear this over the shoulder or you can just hold it as well. I was worried that this bag would look too bulky, especially if I got a print on my body since I am so petite. But I feel like it's fine, and I feel like it holds a lot as well. So I have the largest iPhone available, and even though the shape is odd, you can fit a lot in this. Like, I have more room for my wallet, my headphones, my keys, everything that I need. Now, it doesn't hold like a bunch if you put a lot of stuff in your purse, but as somebody who doesn't, this is the perfect everyday bag for me, which allows me to have my basics and then a little some extra. My Kindle fits in here. It looks like it wouldn't, but my Kindle does fit in here, which is great. So yeah, I mean, I'm obsessed with this bag, you guys. I might as well have been sleeping with it. I'm so excited and so happy to have this. Like I said, I felt like it looked better on me than the leather ones, and this one is so cool because it can look great with like a black evening gown or something fancier, but it also is great with like jeans and a t-shirt. It just elevates it, in my opinion. I know this bag is not everybody's style, but I love it, and this is the fanciest thing I own. I'm obsessed. Now, I do want to share in my shopping experience there. I almost didn't get this one, and I know some of you guys are gonna be like, Morgan, you should have gotten this one because it was a Lady Dior. I'm looking for it online so you can see it. I know some of you guys are gonna say I made a mistake. So this is the other one that I was in love with. This is the Small Lady Delight bag, and it's a Raffia Lady Dior. It is perfect for summer. You guys know I live in Miami, so I can get more use of the raffia style. And here's the thing, you guys. I have spent the last few weeks constantly looking back at the Dior website because I was looking for saddlebags in particular. I had made up my mind that I specifically wanted a saddlebag. It was a matter of which size and which print I wanted, because I was going to maybe get a small one if the big one looked too big on me. And then I went into store, and this one shifted my eyes. I didn't think there was gonna be any shifting of my eyes. My eyes were only set on the saddlebag, and then I saw this. Now, I asked the sale associate if I could just look at it. Like, I didn't think I would ever consider getting it, but I thought it was beautiful. So I was like, hey, can I take a look at this one? And so I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's my style. And then he told me the price, and it was way less than what I was expecting, because Lady Dior's, from what I've seen, they start at like $5,000, and I was not about to spend $5,000. This one was $4,400, which was only $200 more than my saddlebag. And then all of a sudden, I had a dilemma. I was texting my mom the pictures. I was like, which one? This is a limited edition design. And the Lady Dior bag, the shape, the style, it's more timeless. It's more classic. So that was kind of like, because I love the saddlebag, obviously, but I know it's a more trendy piece. It comes and goes in style, but the Lady Dior will always be in style. But I ultimately decided to go with the saddlebag because this is what I had gone in there for, and purchasing the raffia Lady Dior bag would have been more of an impulse purchase, but it's beautiful. Unfortunately, the design is limited edition, but eventually, in the far, far future, I told Jose, my husband, if he ever wants to surprise me, I do want a Lady Dior in my life at one point. Doesn't need to be this design, though if they ever come out with something similar, this is my style. It goes with so many of the pieces that my freaking H&M pieces that I wear. All of my cheap clothes. This goes with all of my cheap clothes. So I did want to share this bag as well because my want for the saddlebag was up here and my want for this Dior bag was like right here. I would say if I hadn't gone into the Dior store knowing I wanted a saddlebag, if I was a little bit more open to buying anything else, I probably would have gone home with the Lady Dior. But I really did have full intentions of purchasing a saddlebag, but they're both stunning. So anyways, wanted to share that with you because that was an almost got. And I won't, I'm not going to end up going back and getting it, but I love this one. So anyways, I just wanted to share my little Dior experience with you guys. Also wanted to have it documented for myself. I'm so excited. So don't be shocked if you see me wearing this all the time because I don't even care if it goes with my outfit or not. I'm wearing this. I love it. And you can also buy a crossbody strap if you want as well to go with this, probably. I don't know if they have one that would go perfectly because the leather ones do come with a crossbody strap, but this one doesn't. Which I was like, dang. But I still love this. And I'm excited about it, and I just wanted to share that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this handbag video. Just a little break from the makeup videos. And let me know your thoughts down below on any Dior handbags or designer handbags in general. I do want to get a Palen bag, which is a lot cheap, which is pretty much cheap compared to the Dior prices, but I've heard really great things about Palen. I'm kind of looking at them next as my next gift to myself, maybe a holiday purchase kind of thing. But this will be one of my few designer unboxings in the next 5 years. So yeah, anyways, bye guys, have a good one.